Welcome to a world where flavor meets affordability. Today, we're diving into the streets to uncover the most delicious street foods you can savor for just $1. These aren't just snacks. They're flavors that tell a story. Let's hit the streets and taste some of the best budget-friendly bites you can't afford to miss. Vietnam. Vietnam's street food scene is a feast for the senses. Aromatic, vibrant, and deeply rooted in tradition. And the best part? You don't need more than $1 to experience some of its most flavorful dishes. Let's dive into the heart of Vietnamese cuisine, one bite at a time. Early mornings in Hanoi call for xoài, a simple yet hearty sticky rice dish. Topped with crispy shallots and a sprinkle of mung beans, it's a humble yet comforting breakfast that fuels the city. Next, we have banh mi, a sandwich that's become famous worldwide. The baguette is crunchy on the outside, airy on the inside, packed with savory pâté, pickled veggies, and slices of pork. As the day heats up, bun thit nuong offers the perfect refreshment. This cold noodle dish is loaded with grilled pork, fragrant herbs, and crunchy peanuts, all tied together with a splash of ngoc cham, Vietnam's famous fish sauce dressing. It's a light yet flavorful meal that proves street food can be both delicious and refreshing. Watching a vendor make banh quan is like watching an artist at work. These delicate steamed rice rolls are soft, silky, and filled with a savory mixture of pork and mushrooms. For just $1, this dish is a reminder that sometimes the simplest flavors are the most unforgettable. As the sun sets, a bowl of canch bun is the perfect way to end the day. This rich yet light crab noodle soup is packed with flavors, served with thick noodles and fresh water spinach. Every sip carries the warmth of Vietnamese hospitality, a true comfort dish. For just $1 per dish, you're not just filling your stomach, you're filling your soul. Which of these would you try first? Thailand. Next is Thailand. Bangkok's streets are alive with the aroma of spicy and sour dishes. Here, just $1 unlocks a world of flavor-packed street food that locals and travelers swear by. First up, we have grilled skewered meats. Succulent chicken, marinated in a rich blend of Thai spices, grilled to smoky perfection. And, the best part? A spicy dipping sauce that packs a punch with each bite. One bite, and you'll understand why this is a Bangkok street food staple. Next, we have som tam, Thailand's famous spicy papaya salad. A perfect balance of tangy, sweet, salty, and fiery heat. This dish is made with shredded green papaya, lime, fish sauce, and chili. It's fresh, crunchy, and absolutely addicting, especially on a hot day. Need to cool down after that spice? Try a fresh fruit shake. Whether it's mango, dragon fruit, or coconut, these shakes are blended on the spot. Ice cold, refreshing, and only $1. The perfect market companion. Now, let's talk about deep-fried deliciousness. Crispy Thai sausages. These are packed with herbs and spices, then deep-fried to a golden crunch. Pair them with a chili dipping sauce, and you've got a bold, meaty snack that hits all the right notes. Craving something sweet? Bangkok street desserts never disappoint. Try Kanam Kruk, bite-sized coconut pancakes that are crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, and melt in your mouth. Bangkok proves that great food doesn't have to be expensive. From smoky skewers to refreshing shakes, from crispy bites to sweet treats, all for just $1. Whether you're a budget traveler or a food lover, Bangkok's street food is an experience you don't want to miss. Mexico City. In Mexico City, $1 takes you far. Grab a taco bursting with flavor or a tamale wrapped in corn husks. The vibrant spices and textures will leave your taste buds dancing. For just 20 pesos, I grab a tamal verde. It's soft masa infused with tangy green salsa and tender chicken. The warmth seeps into my hands as I take the first bite, a taste of home for so many locals. As the city comes to life, I find myself in a lively street market where the aroma of sizzling meat fills the air. A crowd gathers around a taco stand, hungry office workers waiting for their turn. For just $1, I get a taco al pastor. Smoky, sweet, and spicy all at once, topped with fresh pineapple, cilantro, and onion. Every bite is an explosion of perfectly balanced flavors. Further along, I stumble upon a classic Mexican street snack, papas con limon y chile, with fiery chili potato chips, drizzled with fresh lime juice. A simple yet bold combination, this 20-peso snack delivers a kick of heat, a punch of citrus, and the ultimate street food crunch. By evening, if you crave something sweet, you'll find yourself at a churro cart where golden churros are dusted in warm cinnamon sugar. For 20 pesos, I savor one crispy on the outside, soft on the inside churro, dusted in warm cinnamon sugar. The vendor hands me a cup of thick hot chocolate for dipping, and suddenly the bustling city feels cozy and intimate. Each bite tells a story of dedicated vendors who have perfected their craft over decades, of recipes passed down through generations, and of a city that thrives on its rich culinary heritage. In Mexico City, $1 doesn't just buy food, it buys an experience, a connection to its people, its flavors, and the heartbeat of the streets. Tokyo may be known for its high prices, but street food is an exception. For just $1, enjoy takoyaki, crispy octopus balls, or sweet banana treats at local festivals. For just 150 JPY, you can indulge in some of the country's most beloved snacks. From crispy bites to creamy delights, let's dive into the best $1 street foods in Japan. First up, we have takoyaki, crispy on the outside, soft and gooey on the inside. These golden octopus-filled balls are topped with savory takoyaki sauce, creamy mayo, and smoky bonito flakes that dance with the heat. Some stalls offer smaller portions for just 150 JPY, making it a budget-friendly must-try. But be careful, they're piping hot inside. A trip to a Japanese street market wouldn't be complete without a choco banana. These fresh bananas are skewered, dipped in rich chocolate, and decorated with colorful sprinkles. A simple yet delightful treat. For just 150 JPY. It's the perfect sweet snack to enjoy while exploring a lively festival. If you're craving something savory and satisfying, look no further than yakitori. These grilled chicken skewers, glazed in a sweet and savory soy-based sauce, are smoky, juicy, and packed with flavor. Next, we have senbei, crispy grilled rice crackers that come in a variety of flavors, from salty soy sauce to spicy wasabi. Freshly grilled senbei offer a satisfying crunch with every bite. For something fluffy and slightly sweet, try tamagoyaki, a Japanese omelet that's light, flavorful, and served on a stick. The balance of savory dashi and subtle sweetness makes this a unique street food experience. And finally, we have imagawayaki, round pancakes filled with sweet red bean paste or creamy custard. Soft, warm, and perfectly golden brown, this dessert melts in your mouth. Hanoi is a paradise for food lovers on a budget. Try their famous banh mi, stuffed with pickled vegetables and meats. Or indulge in a cup of egg coffee for just $1. Hanoi, a city where the streets pulse with energy and the air is filled with the irresistible scent of sizzling, freshly made street food. If you're wandering the vibrant corners of the city with just $1, you can dive into a world of flavors that represent the heart and soul of Vietnamese cuisine. Start your culinary adventure with xoi, a humble sticky rice dish that you'll find on nearly every street corner. Vendors, like the one I stumbled upon in a quieter part of Hanoi, serve this warm, glutinous rice topped with crispy shallots and tender chicken. It's a dish that's both simple and satisfying, a perfect way to begin your exploration of the city. Head over to any local street vendor for banh mi, Vietnam's iconic sandwich that's been gaining worldwide fame. For just $1, you'll be treated to a freshly baked, crispy baguette filled with layers of pâté. pork, pickled vegetables, and a tangy sauce that ties it all together. The Xian Nuong, grilled pork skewers, are a must-try. These skewers are marinated in a fragrant mix of lemongrass, pepper, and sweet seasoning, then grilled to smoky perfection. A skewer of tender, caramelized pork, paired with a small banh mi roll, will cost you about $1. Try banh goi, or pillow dumplings. These golden fried dumplings are filled with a savory mixture of minced pork, quail eggs, and mushrooms, then served with a tangy dipping sauce. It's the perfect bite-sized treat that'll cost you about $1. End your day with egg coffee, a sweet and creamy Vietnamese drink that's famous in Hanoi. At Giang Cafe, a $1 cup gives you a rich Vietnamese coffee topped with a velvety layer of whisked egg yolk. The result is a creamy, slightly sweet coffee that's unlike any other drink you've had. Whether you're savoring the crunch of xoi, biting into a crispy banh mi, or sipping on a rich egg coffee, each dish tells a story. And in Hanoi, every story is a delicious one. India, Mumbai, where the streets are alive with the sound of vendors and the air is thick with the scent of spices. For just $1, you can dive into the heart of Mumbai's street food scene, one bite at a time. First, head to any street corner where you'll find vendors preparing pani puri, tiny, hollow shells filled with spiced potatoes, chickpeas, and a tangy tamarind water. For just $1, you can enjoy a plate full of joy. As you pop one into your mouth, the flavors explode. Spicy, tangy, and sweet, all mingling together like a mini celebration on your taste buds. It's a bite-sized piece of happiness, and trust me, you won't stop at just one. Next, wander over to a griddle sizzling with butter and discover pav bhaji, a thick vegetable curry served with soft, buttery toasted buns. The vendor works quickly, mashing the vegetables and spices together into a fragrant, creamy delight. Each bite is comforting. The creamy bhaji and soft pav work together perfectly, making it an ideal street food dish that warms you from the inside out. And all of this for just $1. Down the lane, you'll find a crowd gathered around a stall serving dabeli, a beloved snack from Gujarat. A soft bun filled with spiced mashed potatoes, peanuts, pomegranate seeds, and crispy sev is handed to you for just $1. As you bite into the bun, the combination of crunchy, soft, and juicy textures creates a symphony of flavors unlike anything else. Holding this snack in your hands feels like holding a piece of Gujarat itself. As the evening sets in, it's time for something sweet. Watch as a vendor expertly swirls batter into hot oil to create jalebi, golden spirals of crispy sweetness dipped in sugar syrup. Biting into one of these golden spirals, the crisp exterior gives way to a burst of sugary syrup that melts in your mouth. It's the perfect sweet ending to your Mumbai street food adventure, all for just $1. From the spicy, tangy delights of pani puri to the comfort-filled pav bhaji and the sweet finish of jalebi, Mumbai's street food scene is a journey of flavors that's easy on the wallet but rich in experience. For just $1 per dish, you'll taste the essence of this bustling city and its vibrant food culture. From Asia to the Americas, these $1 street foods prove that great taste doesn't have to come at a high price. So pack your bags, or just your appetite, and join us on this global culinary adventure. Which $1 street food would you try first? Let us know in the comments below.